So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell down below so you get notified anytime I post. And for all my new visitors, hopefully subscribers, welcome. And I hope you guys click on the subscribe button because this channel needs you guys. Yeah, so I've actually not done this kind of video on my channel, but this time around we're gonna be switching it up, so we're doing a makeup challenge. I actually see a lot of YouTubers do it. It's actually quite old, like MLA since it started since, but I'm a late bloomer, so I decided to say let me do this video. Yeah, we're going to be doing, as you read from the title, makeup video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be telling you guys what I did. I just hope I'm able to do it. I hope I am able to succeed, but this time around I'm going to be switching it up. Aim of the 3-minute video is to teach you guys simple ways you can get your makeup done if you're rushing for class, and it's not going to be something too crazy. It's just going to be simple, a simple makeup tutorial. That's all that you can do when you're busy or rushing and you need to go. But that's just the look we're going for. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. The only things I'm going to use are I'll be showing you guys on the screen. I'm going to be using this. Yeah. The only things I'm going to be using, guys, are these things. I'm going to be using my fluffy brush and my eyeshadow palette, Usher eyeshadow, professional eyeshadow palette. And you guys can see, yeah, it has dull colors in it, but then it's actually nice. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, and then I'll be using my black opal deluxe finishing powder. I use this for everything, my makeup totally. Then I'm going to be using my Tala Beauty liquid foundation. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. It's actually much lighter than my skin, but then I gotta do what I gotta do. I just want to make it work. And then I'm going to be using my mascara, my eyeliner and mascara. So yeah, and then last but not least, I'll do my brows. But then doing brows is a whole other process when you're doing your makeup, so I don't want to include brows in the 3-minute challenge, because if I include it, I'm not going to be able to make it. In fact, I don't even think anybody will be able to make it, because your brows take so much longer, especially if you want to get it right, because brows are what shapes your face. It gives it whatever you want, because you can put all the things you want, but if your brows are still bushy, they're not yet made, like this, it's going to be coming out somehow. So I'm going to do the eyebrow off camera, then I'll get back to you. Yeah, so we're back, and as you can see, I've done my brows and I've formed my eyelids for the makeup. Now we're going to set the timer. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. We're going to be setting the timer 3 minutes. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. I was started. So because we are rushing, I'll just I don't even need to use any brush. Just now I'm going into my eyeshadow Usher's eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this brown, very dark brown shade to lather all over my eyelids. Like I said, we're rushing. I don't have time for. I'm using my fingers to apply that. My goodness, it's already 2 minutes. And now with my blending brush, I'm going in with this lighter brown shade, and I'm just going to be blending that out. Shades. It's a mess. So yeah, this is my foundation. foundation to take this much? My goodness, already in 1 minute. Okay. I'm just going to be applying lip gloss now. So when it's time for the makeup, I'm going to use my black copper powder, and I'm just and we're done. Whoa, jeez, what is this? The timer just went up. My goodness, is this how guys? This is the 3 minutes makeup. As you guys can see, it was not easy. It was not easy. Foundation was, to me, was like the hardest part. It was one that took like so long for me to like do. The eyeshadow it came out okay. The eyeshadow came out okay. I'm happy about that. I can actually use this to go out. I didn't have enough time to like put eyeliner or highlighter or whatever, but I had time to like lay down some colored lip gloss. It's coming out okay. It's coming out okay. It wasn't a total disaster. As I can say, it wasn't a total disaster. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please click the subscribe button if you like the video and you want to see more from me. Then please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below to get notified anytime I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And stay blessed. Bye.